This video shows fold-flat DXF programming. Now introduce the use of imported graphics method of programming. First insert the USB flash drive. Click the fold-flat DXF button and select the desired DXF file from the USB flash drive. This is the unfolded view of the part. Click on the Settings button to set the material and thickness. Click on the heavy checkmark button after setting. This is the bending line of the part. Click on the bending line. We can modify the bending angle, bending direction, and bending type. Click the Fold button. Click the Do Tooling button. This is the generated bending program. Click on the Edit button. The first thing you enter is the dynamic simulation interface. The function of the cycle button is to simulate the bending process in a single step. The function of the next stage button is to further subdivide the bending process into individual axis movements. The stop button is to stop the simulation. The function of the cycle all button is to simulate the entire bending process. When there is a problem with the program automatically generated by the software, we can modify the program by using the button in the lower left corner. In the sequence screen, we can modify the bending step sequence. Forward and backward can be set for forward or backward bending. The Skip Bend button allows you to skip a certain bend. The Pre-Bend button allows you to pre-bend a certain bending angle. The Group button allows you to connect the broken bending lines in the center to a single bending line. The function of the Auto Place button is to allow the software to automatically calculate the positioning method of the backstop. Surface button to change the rear gear finger docking surface. The Flip Part button changes the positioning mode to forward or reverse. The Axis Targets button allows manual entry of values for the X, Z1, Z2 and R axes of the backstop. If you need to modify the mold, click on the upper mold in the tooling menu and then click on the Edit Mount button to change the mold. If necessary, you can also change the mold's length, position, part position, and whether or not to use the horn type. We can also flip the mold if you try double-sided or hydraulic clamping. Click on the upper mold and drag. When a red line appears in the middle of the mold, it means that the upper and lower molds have been aligned at the center point position. Checking the program again to make sure there are no problems. Click the Done button to save the updated data. Click on the Run button to prepare for bending. Click the green Start button to begin machining after installing the mold.